Want to turn your static images into stunning cinematic AI videos with just a few clicks? Today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using a powerful all-in-one platform called AiReel. AiReel is a one-stop AI video generator designed to bring your photos and ideas to life with zero editing experience needed. It's free to start and requires absolutely no complicated setup. What makes AiReel unique is that it acts as a hub, letting you switch between various top-tier AI generation models like Cadence 2.5, Minimax H3, Kling, Sora, and Runway, so you can always find the perfect look for your project. Let's talk about how to use it. The easiest way to start is with their image-to-video tool. You simply upload any photo, and AiReel automatically adds realistic depth, natural motion, and camera sweeps to bring the visual to life. If you want even more control, they have a fantastic frames-to-video feature. This lets you upload a starting image and an ending image, and the AI smoothly generates the transition between them, meaning you get consistent visuals without manual editing. Of course, if you don't have an image yet, you can use their text-to-video tool to generate entire scenes from just a simple written prompt, or use their variation engine to tweak an image you already like. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, having so many different AI models under one roof is incredibly convenient, and the start and end frame control is a game changer for storytelling. Because AiReel is a relatively new and emerging platform, there aren't many widespread public user reviews or detailed community ratings available just yet. This means we'll have to wait and see how it performs under heavy user traffic and how their features evolve over time. But the fact that it is free to start makes it incredibly easy to test out risk-free. Overall, if you're looking for a simple, no-setup way to turn your images into high-quality videos using the latest AI models, AiReel is absolutely worth checking out. Head over to AiReel.net to try it for free today. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and let me know in the comments what you're planning to create.